with a new free digital cutting file, and this is actually the same as my little conversation heart box that I made yesterday, except that I made a digital cutting file for this, so I hope you all love it. The measurements of this box put together is 3 3/4 by 2.5. And I hope you all love it. Oh, and this is a 1/2 inch. Okay, so I hope you all are going to love this. It's super easy to do. I did not include the scoring because I've talked about this in previous videos. For some odd reason, every time I create scoring stuff too, when I put it together in Cricut, it messes it up. And I was talking to Tiffany McGill with Crafting Like a Boss, and she said that this is a typical problem, which I wasn't aware of that until she told me. So anyway, but the scoring is super easy, guys. And, you know, it takes like, what, a second or two to cut this out. It's really fast because it's a small box. So let me just grab my mat and my scoreboard. So I'm going to do my scoreboard first. I'm just going to take this over here and I'm going to line it up on my longer side, right? So we're just going to come in here and you're just going to follow along with the guides basically. So here you see there's a score line at 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to do my score line at 1/2 inch. There is going to be another score line right here at 1 inch. Okay, so just follow your little lines. And then again here at 4 3/4, right? And then again at 5 1/4. All right, easy peasy, guys. You're going to turn it one time. So now you're going to be on your 6.5 inch side. I want you to go ahead and score it at the 6 inch. Okay. We're going to go ahead and score it at, I know I'm missing a little step here, but that's okay. We're going to score again at 3 inches all the way down. And then you're going to come in here, you're going to move this out of the way. You're going to score at 3.5. Okay, so we have 3, 3.5, and 6. We're going to come back over here and we're just going to do one score at a 1/2 inch. And I think I pretty much have all of them, okay? Now, if these little tabs right here at the top get in your way, all right, to me, I find them a little bit annoying. I may just remove them. Whoops. Okay. Hold on. Okay, so I grabbed my acetate. I am so sorry. This seems like really bright. Let me just see if I can get that a little bit better, maybe. There we go. Sorry. I didn't realize that was so bright for some odd reason. Okay, so your acetate's going to need to be at least 2.5 inches long by 2 inches wide. And that is just so that you can cover up this heart. And I'm just going to kind of go around the edges here. Nothing too major. Okay, and I'm going to let that dry. Okay, then I'm going to grab my next one and I'm going to do the same thing on all of these. So I'm just going to do these really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I removed actually all the little tabs. I just felt like I like the convenience of that, and I'm not putting anything in that's really going to fall out. So I'm not worried about that. And so now you can just grab your adhesive or whatever you're going to use to close your box. So you're just going to seal it right here. I'm going to go ahead. Actually, I am going to use a little tape. I just like that where it grabs quickly and I don't have to worry about it. There we go. Okay. And then now I can just grab my glue, because y'all know Florida be humid. So, anywho. And I'm just going to match these up. Okay. And it should catch on that initial right there. And then I'm going to flip it to its side again and make sure that it is sealed on the inside. Just kind of burnish that in. And then now all I have to do is put in my bottom, and I'm actually going to seal that too. Just grab a little glue as well so that it'll slide in. Okay, and then line it up. I'm just going to hold it for a second. Then now I can go ahead and finish burnishing it in. And of course I don't want to glue this because I need to add my candy in there. So, isn't that super cute, guys? I just love it. Love, love, love. I think it's just adorable. Okay, so I'm going to finish these up and then I'll be back with the final presentation. Okay guys, I just love how this turned out. All I did was add on my top layer heart piece, which you will have a file for that too. And it's this flamingo pink color. And of course your little box is going to be white with black polka dots. And then we have the flat back pearls that I added on here that were gifted to me from a swap. And so I hope you all love it. Guys, don't forget to check out my Facebook group where this file will be. And on the file, it actually has the measurements for you, so it will be easy peasy for you. So hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll be seeing you all soon again. Bye.